Hello, this is Samir Lekhi. I'm one of the trainers at Study Smart Education. Welcome. Are you really facing difficulties when it comes to paraphrasing in IELTS writing? If so, then this video is for you. So I'm going to provide you 5 tips that will definitely help you in terms of paraphrasing appropriately. So first, you must use synonyms, right? See, when you get a topic sentence, underline the key elements in the topic and know what else you can say. Make sure that they are appropriate. Tip number 2, use a different word order form, right? You can try finding out verbs in the given topic, try to change it to nouns. Nouns, try to change it to verbs. Adjectives, try to change it to nouns or verbs, right? Tip number 3, there are sometimes active and passive voices. They really play an essential role. So if you get a topic in which you get an active voice, try to do it in a passive way, right? By changing the subject and object things, it's really good in terms of grammatical range. Tip number 4, change the word order. Sometimes you get like starting with subject something, and you can just bring those words, pick from one place to another place, try to squeeze them, change the sentence structure. That's also very beneficial. And tip number 5, my most favorite, I would say rather to use only one thing, use a combination of a couple of things, right? So along with synonyms, try to use active, passive voice. You can also use the grammatical structure thing, what I explained earlier. By this, you will definitely see a drastic change in your paraphrasing. And don't forget to practice also, right? If you like the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.